Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome to the first video on how to create a comic strip. In this lesson we are going to focus on the research phase of your comic strip. I am going to show you a series of images of different comic strips which are very well known in the comic world. Peanuts focuses on a social circle of children where the interactions formed tangled relationships that drove the story. The humor is known for being psychologically complex in some of the situations. Now let's take a look at the comic strip Calvin and Hobbes by Bill Watterson. This strip follows the humorous situations that Calvin lives with his stuffed tiger Hobbes. It also examines Calvin's relationships with his family and classmates. To Calvin, Hobbes is a living being. It represents how imaginative kids see their stuffed animals or toys. Garfield, created by Jim Davis, talks about the life of Garfield the cat, the dog Odie, and John Arbuckle, the owner of these pets. This comic strip includes themes like laziness, a lot of eating, and Garfield hating Mondays. It also illustrated the interactions between Garfield, John, and Odie. This strip became popular because of the lack of social and political commentary. Its main purpose was only to make people laugh and entertainment. The images that you see in front of you are from the comic strip Life in Hell, created by Matt Groening. This comic strip talks about a large amount of themes, such as love, sex, work, life, and death. It also illustrates some social issues like angst, fear, and inevitable doom. There are a lot of more examples that we can talk about, but the important thing that you need to know is that a comic strip can be about anything you like, and the art style does not have to be the main thing you need to be concerned about. You have to find your type of humor and explore it by telling the jokes that make you laugh. If something makes you laugh and you can tell that joke on simple images without confusing the audience, people will start liking your work no matter how simple or complex it may be. Feel free to continue your research exploring as many comics as you want. The important thing is that you need to find your humor. Be honest with the things you want to tell, and you will succeed on creating more strips every time. On our next video, we are going to make a little script for the comic, and also the thumbnails for the panels. If you have any doubts or concerns about this first lesson, please let me know. Feel free to keep exploring and researching as many comics as you think you need. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next lesson.